They say the battle is won before it's ever fought. And for me, that battle begins in the quiet dark, hours before the sun even considers rising. The first victory of the day is simple: a glass of water, waking up my body from the inside out. Then comes the test, the cold shower. It's a shock to the system, yes, but it's also a promise I make to myself, to embrace discomfort, to choose strength. This isn't about punishment, it's about discipline. It's about starting the day by conquering the easiest thing to avoid. As the first light breaks the horizon, I'm already moving. The world is still asleep, but my heart is pounding. My feet are hitting the pavement. This run isn't just for my body, it's for my mind. It's a moving meditation, a time to clear out the noise and find clarity in the rhythm of my own breath. With the city slowly waking up, I walk. Each step towards the mosque is a step towards peace, a moment to connect with something greater than myself, to ground my spirit before the day's demands begin. This quiet reflection is the foundation upon which the entire day is built. Back home, fuel is a priority. No junk, no shortcuts. Just clean, wholesome food that my body deserves. A healthy breakfast isn't a chore. It's an act of respect for the vessel that carries me through life. Properly fueled, I turn to my work. The screen lights up, and the world outside fades away. This is deep work. No distractions, no multitasking. Just pure, undivided focus on the task at hand. This is where progress is made, where goals are brought to life, one focused minute at a time. It's about creating value, not just being busy. As night falls, the work is done, but the day isn't over. The final act of discipline is preparing for the next victory. I lay out my plans, setting my intentions for tomorrow. Knowing what needs to be done removes the friction. It eliminates decision fatigue. It ensures that when I wake up, I can move with purpose, not with hesitation. Then, it's time for rest. Early to bed, allowing my body and mind the recovery they've earned. This isn't just a routine, it's a system for a life of purpose. It's a choice. And it's a choice you can make too. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how your world transforms. Thanks for watching.